Have you ever wondered who ensures the safety and quality of the products you use daily? Who makes sure that the medicine you take is safe and the appliances you use are reliable? The hero behind the scenes is a set of guidelines known as GxP. To understand GxP better, let's break it down into its core components. The G stands for good, representing adherence to established standards, while the P stands for practice, emphasizing a disciplined and consistent approach to ensuring quality. From the smallest tablet to the largest manufacturing machinery, these practices ensure a consistent level of quality. It offers you peace of mind, knowing that every product you use has gone through stringent tests and checks, guaranteeing safety and efficiency. It means a world where trust in the products you use is a given, not a luxury. Within the umbrella of GxP, there exist several specialized practices catering to different industries. For instance, Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, governs the manufacturing processes, mandating stringent controls over the production environment to guarantee product quality and safety. Good Laboratory Practice, GLP, oversees research and laboratory settings, assuring the quality and integrity of studies related to chemicals, including pharmaceuticals. Good Clinical Practice, GCP, focusing on the ethical and quality standards in clinical trials, ensuring the safety and rights of trial participants are protected. These standards guide organizations to methodically control and document their processes, offering a traceable audit trail and ensuring consistency and compliance in operations. Delving deeper, we find that GxP encompasses several pivotal elements, such as data integrity, ensuring the accuracy and consistency of data over its entire life cycle, a crucial factor in achieving trust in the product's safety and efficacy. Risk management, a systematic process of identifying, analyzing, and mitigating risks at every stage, promoting a culture focused on quality and safety. Training, equipping personnel with the necessary knowledge and skills to adequately perform their roles, thereby enhancing the overall process quality. Validation. It involves validating systems and processes to demonstrate that they can reliably fulfill their intended purpose, a cornerstone in building a robust GxP compliance framework. Change control. A strategic approach to manage alterations in the processes or systems, ensuring no adverse effects on the product quality. These components work synergistically, creating a robust framework where quality is not just a goal, but a continuous journey, adapting to evolving standards and market needs. This intricate tapestry of standards and practices is where CloudHub steps in with mastery and finesse. Our deep understanding of both the cloud and data landscapes allows us to offer solutions that are not only robust, but are tailored to meet the stringent demands of GxP compliance. We leverage the prowess of modern technology to facilitate seamless compliance, helping organizations streamline their operations through smart solutions like automated record keeping, real-time reporting, and facilitating smooth audits with meticulously maintained logs and reports. Harnessing the power of our CompQ solution, we automate a monumental portion of the validation process for businesses, thus forging a pathway to not only maintain, but elevate the standards of compliance. We're talking about a breakthrough that enables up to 80% automation for cloud-built applications and a substantial 40% for non-cloud solutions. This not just ensures adherence to GxP standards, but redefines the very approach to compliance, marrying innovation with reliability. Join us at CloudHub, where we enhance your compliance posture by a significant 30%, empowering businesses to not just meet, but exceed GxP standards with a reliable ally guiding them in every step of their compliance journey. CloudHub, reimagining compliance with intelligence and expertise, nurturing a world rooted in trust, safety, and exemplary good practices.